Hello everyone and welcome to my new vlog on Wings1 program, TCS Wings1 program. And guys, as you're already aware that November Wings1 registrations are open. So in this particular video, we are going to discuss in details about the Wings1 technology core tracks and the prerequisites that you should focus on. So I would suggest all of you to please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt with respect to the tech tracks that you have chosen, or with respect to business process articulation, unit electives, or business skills, then you can go ahead and comment it out in the comment section. So I just want to walk through across the SOP that was there presently, and if there are any changes, or according to the SOP, whether you are already ready or not. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So Wings1 core full stack track, we are going to discuss in this video from T1 track to T5 track, because I don't want to stretch the video to make it a very long video, because in a separate video I will make from T6 to T14, and I will suggest in this video as well which are the tech tracks that you can choose if you are not too confident in coding, or if you are not too confident in choosing tracks that you don't know, then which are the ones only where you can give MCQ and clear that particular exam. So let's discuss on the same. So Wings1 technology core, a new track lists that you can see from T1 to T15. So out of them I have done some analysis and found out that, for you can see from this particular image itself, that T1, there are certain new addition to the curriculum. That is, there is introduction to the Angular, that is MERN and mean and cloud, which is present. And for the May cycle, it is the hands-on was yes and not cloud, and we need to check for the November cycle. But as of now, the expectation is whatever is there from the May cycle we should be ready with. So T1 is corresponding to this. T2 is introduction to cloud, AWS, Azure, and GCP. So those of you are focusing on GCP and AI cloud, which is very dominant in today's IT industry, you can focus on track tech T2. And I primarily cleared Wings1 by clearing this particular track T2. So I will create separate vlogs in which I'm going to discuss all the tracks in details. You can keep me subscribed for the same, but here overall I'm just discussing on which track is for what. So T3 is for NLP, deep learning, Gen AI, RI, and Cloud ML. T4 is for Django as a replacement of Flash plus Python core programming, and your SB version upgrade plus Java core programming is there. T7 is DevOps security, cloud security, AI security, and testing brute force attackers. T5, there are no changes except for some secureware changes. I will discuss them in details. From T5 to T9, there are no major changes. In T12, there is test automation. Test automation includes automation testing, Selenium, Cucumber, and Nightwatch. T13, data engineering and visualization. T13 is data engineering and visualization, in which Tabulo and Informatica and DW is mostly included. T14 is mainframe, which JCL, DB2, CICS, and so on. I am not so much aware about the mainframe. And T15 is AI.cloud, which is the AI.cloud curriculum included. So this goes with the tracks that you can get as an option from T1 to T15. The next is the details about core tech T1, building modern web apps at scale. So from now onwards, from the May assessment onwards, actually Angular was a part of the core track T1, in which you will have to know about Mongo, Express.js, Angular, Node.js, and a few cloud services as well for web app development that was introduced newly. So for that, you can focus on, you have three options. You can see AWS, GCP, and Azure. And for hosting virtual machines, EC2 and cloud compute engine and virtual machine respectively will be given. And you can pause the video and have a look at the deploying web app, serverless, container services, and storage of data in databases that are there, then container services which are being used, and storage of code. So associates can choose either from mean or MERN. I would suggest whichever one you are confident in, you can choose among them. So core track T1 actually focuses on this. Next is the core tech T2, working with modern data repositories. In this, actually the inclusion that has been inclusion and exclusion that has been done is that this Apache Flume and PIG has been removed from track T2, and a new big data cloud component has been included as a part of the new changes that have come. So here you can focus on Azure, AWS, and Google. So the object storage for these data lakes for Azure is Azure Blob Storage, you must be aware of. For AWS is Amazon S3, and for Google is Cloud Storage and Bigtable. So you should be very confident in BigQuery, Amazon Redshift, Azure Synapse, and overall understanding about this track should be done. And you should do certain amount of learning from, I will be giving some separate vlogs on the same also, for so that you can clear the examination just the way I have cleared it, or from wherever I have studied I will be sharing for this particular track T2 in details. But if you can go ahead and prepare from iEvolve, as well as from the different YouTube sources that are present right now. For Core Tech T3, machine learning first and intelligent business processes, this is quite a demanding track, and many of us are focusing on machine learning presently because we can see that machine learning is evolving these days. So you can choose from here as DS and ML, deep learning and NLP, and this is quite easy to master. You will have MCQ as options and hands-on as options as well. And you can see that for Gen AI and other topics, MCQ will be present, hands-on is not there. For ML in cloud, MCQ is there and hands-on is not there. So for those of you who are not too much confident in coding, you can choose this track because you have hands-on only for two cases. One is DS, ML and deep learning and NLP, but Gen AI and ML in cloud you don't have hands-on. Next is for the May assessment 2025 actually. So here you could see that Tech T4 integrating distributed systems, Python Flask is replaced with new framework, and Spring Boot version upgrade was there. Here also hands-on was there for digital, and for Innovator for Flask also you had to do the hands-on, but for digital you didn't have any hands-on with respect to Flask and microservices. Only Django along with Python is actually needed as an hands-on for clearing your digital examination. So for Core Tech track T5, which is extreme automation leveraging the best of cloud, and up to Cortec T9 software defined architecture, there is no addition except for the secureware curriculum. Associates are expected to complete the same. So guys, if you like the vlog, you can like, share and subscribe it, and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.